I just finished building an ASCII Aquarium clock with animated fish made from ASCII characters. You can customize the interface in many different ways. It's the perfect addition to your desk. Let's build it. I'm using a CYD cheap yellow display for this project. It has a built-in ESP32 with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Special thanks to Donald Papp for the original project that inspired this video. To upload the firmware, simply connect the CYD board to your computer. Then flash the firmware from the web. I'll leave the link in the video description. The version of the CYD I bought came with a pre-cut acrylic case. So if you want the simplest option, just assemble the included case. And just like that, you'll have your own ASCII aquarium clock. But if you'd like a more advanced version, take a look at mine. Bend the brass tubes to create the device's frame. Then cut it into the following pieces. Then solder each piece to the CYD board one by one. Next, use 2mm brass rods to complete the frame. For power, I chose a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. For safety, solder as quickly as possible to avoid overheating the battery. Next, I added a small switch to turn the device on and off. Solder one terminal of the switch to the battery's positive terminal. To charge the battery, I'm using a compact USB Type-C charging module. The outer shell of the USB Type-C port also serves as the negative terminal. I used 1mm copper wire to connect the components. Connect the positive terminal of the CYD board to the switch you installed earlier. For the negative connection, simply solder it to the frame. And just like that, it's done. Tap the top left corner to open the settings menu. a few random sea creatures appear over time. Connect to Wi-Fi to automatically synchronize the time. There are plenty of clock styles to choose from. It even includes customizable ambient lighting, and you can schedule the clock to turn on and off automatically. Feed the fish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.